from getting the tire put on the wheel. We're good to go, brand new, aired up. Make sure that it's on the right direction for the rotation for the tire, if there is a rotation on the tire. Slide it back up here in place. Just hand tighten the nuts, just get them started for now. Put all 5 back on. Again, we never took off the brake drum. We never had to brake this nut, which has a lot of torque on it. You really should use a torque wrench for that. Put this on like this, just for ease of putting them on. We'll put the 6-inch extension back on the 12mm. And we're just kind of going a crisscross pattern, just to get them snug. And then we're going to have our assistant hold that brake level. Alright guys, I've dropped the 6-inch extension, got the 12mm. Again, we want to be at a diagonal, release it a little bit, right there. What we want to do is have the wrench coming across at a diagonal, so when I go to pull tight, it's got the best torque on the wheel while your assistant's holding your brake for you. Okay, release, skip that one, hold, okay, release, skip that one, hold, release, skip that one, hold, release, skip that one, hold. That'll be number 5. Okay, just hold on to it. I want to go around. All right, one more. I want to go around and just make sure we didn't skip anything. This is number 3. Next, 4 and 5. We're good to go. All we're going to do now is mount up the bracket. See, I put the extension back on. Still have the number 12mm. Come up here, just get this started by hand. If you have a few minutes, you can always clean your parts in between the change. They tend to get a little dirty on the road. Just kind of wipe out the bracket or give it a complete bath, whichever you prefer. So, got this on. Right there, you can see we're putting it in there. Give these a pretty good snug fit, and in the next fit we're going to put on the exhaust. Hey guys, we got the exhaust ready to go back on. We got the gasket sitting right here. If it fits really nice and tight, it won't slip off. It'll really be a big asset to you. A lot of times the gasket's sitting on loose, it's not seated down in there, it'll try to flop off, which makes it a little bit harder. So what we're going to do is actually put this muffler on. First, I want to just get this back up over the studs under the engine and get those bolts started, nowhere near snug, and then I'll come out, I'll put this together to snug it up, and then I'll just top these 2 off here. So we're going to go up under the scooter. Alright, so you can see we've already got it fit. I'm using my leg to actually hold up the back end of the exhaust. I can simply just put one of the nuts inside to get it started. All we're trying to do is get it threaded to where it starts. Take the second one. Hold your wrench. Your socket should be facing straight down. When it gets started, screws on smoothly. Be sure you don't get them cross-threaded. Just like that. So now what we're going to do is we've got 2 different size spacers. The shorter one goes on the bottom, in which you feed that through there. And again, we're just trying to get these started right now. See, I left it loose under the motor so that it could actually move around to adjust. Alright, use the taller one on the top. Slide that in. Slide this up through the spacer. Start that screw. That was quick enough. So what we want to do is get our 6-inch extension back in here. That close to tight. Again, we're going to get this close to tight. And then I'm going to turn around and put the 12 back under. So I can put my tension on these. You want to be careful. Do not strip these out. Do not over tighten. Just like that. You over tighten or strip these out, you'll have a problem in your engine. So we're going to switch back to the 13 for the actual exhaust pipe, to the bracket. Easy. Tighten down, like so. The only thing left to do, put the 10 back on, snug this little baby up. This one here, all you want to do is just snug it. You're not looking to put any real tension on it. Everything's back together, ready to ride, and that's how you change a tire on the rear end of a Buddy 150, 170, or the 125.